how we will place. And what are these? And this one? This one lips. This one head. And these are black. What are black? Hair. What are these? Ears. What are these? Ears. Okay. Do you want to paste? Okay. So here Fevicol I have applied. Now you have to place it properly. Okay? Will you be able to do? Yes or no? Put the eyes properly. Eyelashes should be up. Okay? So are you done? Very good. Okay, no issues. Press it properly. Done? So we have 2 blue buttons and 1 black buttons. So what pattern we can form so that it will look nice? Blue, black, blue. Yes or no? Can we put in between? Just paste black in between. Yeah. Press it. And then blue. Blue, black, blue. Good. Is it looking nice? So is it exactly the same Miss has given us to do? Okay, so we are done. This what you have made? Human face. What is this? Ball. Okay. 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 Lips. Very good. Okay. Buttons. And where are the ears? Okay. And where are the hairs? Where are the hairs? And where are your hairs? Your hairs? I am saying your hairs. Just show me your hairs. Okay. Your eyes. Is it the same? Is it the same? And nose? Is it the same? Okay. Lips. Ears. So we have perfectly made, right?